Hi, I'm Jason Hyson, Senior Installation Specialist here at Mannington, and welcome to Day 2 of the 2023 International Surfaces event. And man, I gotta tell you, our Mannington booth 1309 was jumping yesterday. It was packed full of excited with customers surrounding brand new products, innovation, and new offerings. One of those new offerings I'd love to tell you about revolves around our SimpleStairs product. And what's really exciting in 2023 is we're going to expand the SimpleStairs product throughout the entire ADURA selling solution. SimpleStairs is currently offered in Rialta in some limited wood SKUs, but now we're going to expand it throughout the whole ADURA line in all the wood SKUs. So the SimpleStairs product has been around for a couple years now, but we continue to evolve it and make expansions on it. And we listened. One thing that Mannington does great is they listen to their customers, their installers, the retailers. We've added some advancements over the years. The SimpleStairs top nosing was an add. We also added SimpleStairs 1.5, so now we can accommodate 2 different tread sizes. And now the biggest expansion of all, an add-on that the customers have been calling for is, hey, we want it in everything, and now we're going to have it in everything. So what I'd like to do now is kind of go through the product a little bit, just a reminder, and then do a quick demo on the installation. So the SimpleStairs product is actually an SPC slab, which with a patented process done in Salem, New Jersey, it is heated and bent to create this glove-like fit with this rounded curve. The product comes 48 inches long and it's 14 inches deep, and then can be cut to accommodate almost every staircase. The cutting needs to be done with power miter saws, table saws, carbide tip blades. The finer the tip blade, the better for this product. As far as installation goes, there are several different stair jig tools which will make the job simpler for the installer. This is a pretty basic one here, but you can put this in place and adjust it to fit the skirt boards, which are never perfectly square. So this can be put in place, adjusted, taken out, and then set on top of your SimpleStair tread. You mark it, then you take it to your saws and cut it. That's going to give you an exact fit when you go to put it in place. Everything's going to be dry fit before we apply any glue. Another big question we get is, hey, how do we deal with an open-ended step like we have here at the bottom? So, that question is answered and shown how to do on videos on our Mannington YouTube channel. We have detailed videos, but just to give you a quick basic 101, we're not going to offer left and right returns and confuse people when ordering different parts. We're going to let the installer, like we said, cut this piece with a table saw and create his own nosing. Now we can take the balance of that piece, fill it. The nosing we created, we can mark it, cut the angle on it, put that together, cut the angle on the other piece, and let the installer manufacture and create whatever he needs on site. Could be a left hand return or right hand return. Could even be a bottom step that is left open on the bottom, left and right. SimpleStairs is the only product that can accommodate an installation like that. Once all of our pieces are cut for the treads and fit, now we can come back and cut the risers. Risers can be cut out of the flooring planks for a very uniform look. And because the SimpleStair tread is made from the same slab the planks are, you're going to get that exact match from your floor to your tread to your riser, even up to the top floor if we're going to go with the same. So you're going to get color, texture, sheen, everything's going to be exactly the same. Boom. Mannington also offers the risers in white. A lot of people love that pop of color and the contrast between the plank color and the white riser, which is a really clean, classic look. As we get to the very top step, we do offer a separate piece, which is our SimpleStair top nosing piece. This piece will come with 3 shims, 3 loose shims within the stair nosing piece. Depending on the thickness of the floor, will determine how many shims you apply here, and this will sit over top and give you the same rounded, nice thick look that matches the rest of your treads, but will also allow you to have a floating floor. Could be ADURA Max, ADURA Rigid. This will be glued down, and that'll sit over top. Once your pieces are cut, we recommend installing from the top down, and everything must be glued with our Mannington triple stick adhesive. This is a premium polyurethane adhesive. Does an amazing job of bonding to the back of the SimpleStair product. I have a little sample here. You can see the glue pattern. We're just going to do the perimeter, a serpentine glue pattern in the middle. The critical part of the glue process is to get glue up inside of the curve of the SimpleStair. We want a nice solid bond right here at this nosing. So again, this SimpleStair product continues to evolve. It continues to get better, and we can't be more excited about expanding it throughout the whole line. So thank you so much.